Welcome to Get Crafty with Kate. This is my second video in my Learn to Knit series. Believe it or not, knitting is just two types of stitches, knit and purl. What creates the beautiful fabric of a knitted garment is just the knit and purl stitches created in a pattern. The knit stitch is that V-shaped stitch that everyone recognizes as the knit stitch, but actually this stitch is called the stockinette stitch. This is the little knit swatch that I made, and as you can see, the right side has those clean V-like stitches, and then when I flip it on the back, you're going to see what are called purl bumps. When you're knitting back and forth like this and not in the round, you need to knit the right side and purl the wrong side in order to get that clean knitted look, also known as the stockinette stitch. To knit, take your working needle and insert it into the stitch. Insert it from the bottom, not the top. Inserting your working needle into the stitch, you're going to take your working yarn, wrap it around the needle, pull that yarn through the stitch, and then we are going to slip that stitch off the needle. Let's do it again. Insert the working needle into the stitch, wrap the working yarn around your working needle, pull that yarn then through the stitch, and then slip the stitch off the needle. Knitting is so much fun, and soon it'll be muscle memory. Mindless knitting patterns are my favorite because I am a mom, so I can easily watch my kids and mindlessly knit. I don't have to pay attention to what I'm doing. If this video was helpful at all, make sure you hit that like button, and I will see you in the next video. Happy knitting!